This video walks you through how to set up the Lightspeed Voice integration with Momentum by NowCerts. You'll learn how to link your accounts and start using features like auto call logging, AI-generated summaries, and sentiment insights, all built into a smooth, efficient process.
To get started, let's set up Lightspeed Voice's Orbit application on your computer. You can easily download it by clicking the gear icon in Quantum and choosing Download Orbit. After installing the software, you'll need to enter your login credentials from Lightspeed Voice. To integrate with Momentum, click on your icon, select Integrations from the drop-down menu, and then click the plus icon. This will direct you to the integration setup page within Quantum. In Quantum, you can find integrations under Management, Lead Settings, and Integrations. To set up a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then enter the integration name as Momentum and select Momentum as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the Users section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option and then click the three dots to assign them all at once. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll need to authenticate your connection to Momentum. Enter your Momentum credentials and you'll establish the connection between Lightspeed Voice. Before you can start receiving call pop-ups, you need to adjust your Orbit call pop settings. This can be done on the integration page as well as in the Orbit application under Integrations. You can choose from 4 options: None, Inbound, Outbound, and All, with Inbound being the default choice. You'll also want to ensure all triggers are enabled in the section below to activate them. It is recommended you enable all of them to fully utilize the integration. If you're using our award-winning AI Nova, now's the time to unlock even more value. Enable smart triggers to automatically sync call summaries and sentiment analysis to your Momentum contacts, giving your team instant insights with zero extra effort. When a call comes in, you'll get an instant pop-up with the caller's details, and Momentum will automatically open that client's record. No more digging around or switching tabs. Everything you need is right in front of you the moment you need it. As soon as the call ends, all the key details are logged automatically, including a direct link to the call recording. And if you're using our AI assistant Nova, you'll also see a quick sentiment analysis and a clear, concise summary of the conversation, so you can stay focused on what matters most. Even better, any text messages or emails you've exchanged with the contact are also stored in the same view, giving you a full history of your interactions without the hassle of searching through multiple platforms. With Lightspeed Voice and Momentum working together, staying organized and delivering top-tier client service has never been easier.
Want to see how this setup can support your team? Call us at 877-97-VOICE or email info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.